Welcome to Kids Spark Learns, learning for kids of all ages. Let's learn emergency vehicles, kids.
This is an ambulance. An ambulance takes sick or hurt people to the hospital. It has flashing lights and a loud siren to move through traffic. Inside, doctors and nurses can give quick treatment. Ambulances are always ready for emergencies. They save many lives every day. This is a fire truck. A fire truck carries firefighters, hoses, and water. It has tall ladders to reach high buildings. The siren warns cars to move aside quickly. Firefighters use it to rescue people and put out fires. It is one of the most important emergency vehicles. This is an airport rescue truck. An airport rescue truck stays near airplanes. It is very powerful and fast. It helps if there is a fire anywhere. Firefighters use it to keep passengers safe. Airport rescue trucks are always on duty. This is a rescue helicopter. A rescue helicopter flies high in the sky. It helps save people during accidents or floods. It can land in small places where other vehicles cannot go. Doctors and rescuers ride inside to help. It is one of the fastest ways to reach emergencies. This is a ladder truck. A ladder truck has a very long ladder. Firefighters use it to rescue people in tall buildings. It also helps spray water from high above. The ladder can move up, down, and sideways. Ladder trucks are very important in city fires.
This is a firefighting helicopter. It is a big flying machine that carries water to stop fires. The helicopter can drop water on burning trees and houses. It helps firefighters reach places where fire trucks cannot go. This helicopter saves people, animals, and forests from big fires.
This is a police car. A police car helps officers reach emergencies quickly. It has bright flashing lights and a loud siren. Police use it to catch bad guys and keep roads safe. It can carry special tools inside. Police cars are always ready to protect people. This is a police motorcycle. A police motorcycle is very fast. Officers use it to chase cars or stop traffic. It has flashing lights and a siren to warn others. It can move easily between cars on busy roads. Motorcycles help police reach emergencies in time. This is a van ambulance. A van ambulance looks like a big van. It has medical tools inside to help patients. Doctors and nurses can give care on the way to the hospital. It moves fast with sirens and lights. Van ambulances save lives every day. is a police van. A police van is bigger than a car. It can carry more police officers together. Sometimes it is used to carry important equipment. It helps police during big emergencies. Police vans are strong and useful in many situations. This is a firefighting aircraft. A firefighting aircraft drops water or foam from the sky. It is used to stop large forest fires. It can carry thousands of liters of water. Flying low, it pours water on burning trees. Firefighting aircraft save nature.
This is a search and rescue drone. It is a small flying machine that has cameras and lights. The drone can fly over tall trees, rivers, and mountains to look for people who are lost. It helps rescuers see from the sky and guide them to the right place quickly and safely. This is a lifeguard jeep. It drives on the beach to help people near the water. The jeep carries lifeguards, rescue tubes, and first aid kits. When someone is in trouble in the sea, the lifeguard jeep rushes fast on the sand so lifeguards can jump in and save lives quickly.
This is a police bicycle. A police bicycle is small and easy to ride. Officers use it in parks, markets, or crowded streets. It helps them move where cars cannot go. They can quickly reach people who need help. It is eco-friendly and fast in traffic. This is an air ambulance. An air ambulance is an airplane or helicopter. It carries sick people quickly to faraway hospitals. It has doctors and special medical equipment inside. Air ambulances work in emergencies where time is short. They help patients reach help faster.
This is a mountain rescue vehicle. It is strong and can drive on steep rocks, snow, and rough roads. Rescuers use it to reach people who are stuck in the mountains. It carries ropes, medical kits, and rescue tools to help hikers and climbers stay safe.
This is a Coast Guard cutter. A Coast Guard cutter is a big rescue ship. It saves people and boats in danger at sea. It also protects the ocean from bad activities. Rescuers on board